Alright, so this is my weather app for the leisure user. Leisure? Okay. And so this is just the single forecast page. This slider is not actually do anything at the moment since we're only required to need a static thing, and I haven't looked at JavaScript at all. But the idea is that you slide it across, and whatever 1 p.m., 2 p.m., then this bit here updates, and the image also updates, based on sunny or partly cloudy or rainy or thunderstorm or what have you. All right, so with the alert, it just looks like one big warning sign here, which um, would be like when you click it, it would close out and it would keep that area where the alert first shows up highlighted. So you'd know like when whatever thunderstorm, hurricane, blah 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 is coming. Comparison is pretty much super similar, right? Super similar interface. The only difference is instead of one bar, you're going to have multiple bars here for however many different locations that you're comparing. It'll probably only be like 4, 5 at tops. Then the screen gets way too cluttered, but same deal. You drag the slider across, all this information would update. And same thing for the comparison alert. You get something that'll pop up, right? 2 p.m. thunderstorm in Berkeley, and then you can just click on it and close it, and that'll stay highlighted. Okay, let's see. If we go over to, I don't know if we're supposed to actually do this walkthrough here, but so all of my HTML is pretty much like the same across the board. I just did it once first, and then I copy and pasted a whole bunch of times. Um, and so I've got 4 different things here, for the forecast, the alerts, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't look anything super special. I had to hard code a lot of things, like the graph items here. Those are all the graph bars. And then, like, the time labels here. That probably could have been one list if I would have been able to figure that out. But I was in pretty far over my head, I suppose, for HTML and CSS. And so a lot of stuff was just thrown together, like just running into problems left and right and Googling how to do it. All right. So I'm sure it could be very cleaned up, but as you can see, I just have a lot of stuff for classes. And so that's like pretty much, it's almost the same across the board, but there's like some little extra things, like in alert, then I have an extra alert class in different colors and different images or whatever. So that's why there are 4 separate CSS folders to tie to the 4 separate HTML folders. Yeah, that's it.